at the left hand side here, we have home load 5, clean, initialize, calibrate, and maintenance. So in load 5 is where you can load your geometry into the build platform, and then the print section here is for your print, and then the slicing simulation in the print process. And then calibrate, you can calibrate your print head. If the print head needed the calibration process, it must be the maintenance. So, and one, so you have this is the function for rotate. Later on, I will demonstrate to you how to rotate geometry inside the big platform using Studio. And then this is scale. You can scale or you can resize your geometry inside the build platform with a similar software. And then you can also move your geometry in X or Y direction depending on your preference. Right. Furthermore, we have displacement. No rough, meaning that printing without rough, no support, meaning that printing without any support or any support for our overhang of the geometry, and stable support, which is the support structure a little bit stronger but less easy to be removed. Usually we want the support to be easily removed so that we can have the printed part in very smooth condition. And then unsolid model, the software will auto fix non-solid models. And then we have the function for thin wall. The software will detect thin wall thickness that is too thin to print and expand the features to printable size. This is very helpful if you have something that's very thin. And then the final one is preheat. So preheat is the target temperature for 15 minutes maximum. So preheat meaning that the machine will increase the temperature for 15 minutes before the printing process starts. Okay, so this is the figure that explains or describes the support and the surface of the printing of our 3D printing process. So then is the solid support structure and ensure that the surface being supported and retains its shape and surface finish. Infill, as before, the inner structure of the printed object, and the density of the infill can be adjusted based on our preference. And then rough, the tip structure that assists the addition of the object on the platform. So this is the rough. So usually, when the printing process started, the process of printing is started from the rough. So this is the first layer of printing process. So we can either initiate the rough process or not based on our printing. And then the surface is the top and bottom layer of the printed object. So most likely, when we want to print using our 3D printer machine, we want to ensure that this part here, which is the support, is this very minimum scale. If we use very large support, it will use a lot of our material, which is not good if we want to ensure that we can save material for another process of 3D printer. So and then we have the calibration. So the calibration process, we have the auto calibration process, and then we have the manual calibration process. So the calibration process involves calibrate of the printer print head on top of it. So we have to use the calibration card provided by the company that sells the filter. So this will ensure that the gap between the nozzle and the trim board is very optimum gap. Okay, so if we let's say that the nozzle are very close to the board, it will produce clogging of the nozzle. If we have very large distance of gap between the board and the nozzle, it will produce it will affect the finishing of our 3D parts. So that's why we have the calibration process to ensure that the gap is optimum based on the manual stated here in the slide. So the process is quite simple. Okay, you just use the cut provided, and then check the gap between the nozzle and the board. Let me show you the cut. So this is the cut. So insert the cut in between the gap of nozzle and board. So just make sure that there are a slight rough, let's say, resistance towards the cut to ensure that the gap is correct as accordingly. Okay, so that are the process of printing. So let me show you the software. Dia nampak software? Dia nampak? So this is the user interface. So this is where you can add your geometry. There are some presets as geometry. If you have geometry that you design by your own, if you design by Katia or any other software, you have to